Today, I'll be showing you how to add a screen lock pattern to your Google Pixel tablet. As you can see on mine, there's no screen lock as of current. So if I want to add a pattern, I'll simply go to Settings, tap on Settings, and in the left-hand side panel, find Security and Privacy, tap on Security and Privacy, and under the Security and Privacy options, scroll down and find Device Lock. So this is what you want to tap on. You can either tap on it here, or you can use this drop down arrow to select and reveal the options. So I'll tap on screen lock, and under screen lock, as you can see, there's none of the options to lock my screen that have been selected. So we want to add a pattern, and that's what we will select. And you set up your pattern, choose any pattern you want. Of course, for the purposes of this video, I'll select a simple one like that and tap on next. Draw your pattern again to confirm, and now tap on confirm, and then you'll be told to set up a couple of other things. How do you want the lock screen to display? You can either choose show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. So I'll leave it at don't show notifications at all because I don't want my notifications to be seen. And then I'll tap on done. And that's it. As you can see, the screen lock is now set to pattern. And now, when I go back to the home screen and lock my tablet, when I unlock, swipe up like that to unlock, I'll be prompted to enter the pattern that I just set up. So I'll enter the pattern, and I'll be let in right into my Google Pixel tablet. It's as simple as that. And that's how to add a screen lock pattern to your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Talk to me down below with questions and comments, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.